Samsung's Galaxy A06 is coming soon, and it might actually arrive very soon. The device has now been listed on Samsung India's support pages, with the model number SMA065F/DS. The Galaxy A06 has previously been certified by the Bluetooth SIG, NBTC, and the FCC, once again popular tipster at OnLeaks and Giznics to provide the first look of an upcoming smartphone. The Galaxy A06 flaunting a flat frame and screen. The right spine of the Galaxy A06 gets the usual volume rocker and power key. The bottom panel can be seen housing the USB Type-C port sandwiched between the 3.5mm headphone jack and the speaker grille. At the back, we can see a dual lens, a 50MP main camera with a 2MP depth sensor next to it, an 8MP selfie snapper. The A06 feature a 6.7-inch 720p LCD touchscreen. The Galaxy A06 will be powered by the same MediaTek Helio G85 SoC. It will pair that with 6GB of RAM. The prototype that ran Geekbench managed a single-core score of 1,644 and a multi-core score of 5,326, and it booted Android 14 as the finalized device should from day one of course. The Galaxy A06 will have a 5,000 mAh battery with support for 15W or 25W wired charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.